Imagine being able to power through your most demanding jobs with seamless performance, efficiency, and reliability. Now imagine that same level of power packed into a sleek and compact design that takes up minimal real estate on your desk. Sound too good to be true? Think again. Introducing the Dell OptiPlex 3070 SFF, the ultimate solution for businesses and home users looking for an uncompromising desktop experience. The modern workplace is a demanding place, with professionals constantly juggling multiple tasks, meeting deadlines, and collaborating with colleagues. But often, the tools don't keep pace with our needs. This is where the Dell OptiPlex 3070 SFF comes in. Armed with the latest 9th Gen Intel Core i7-9708 Core 3.00 GHz processor that not only meets but surpasses expectations. With a whopping 8 cores firing on all cylinders, you'll be able to handle even the most resource-intensive tasks with ease. But speed alone isn't enough. It's also about having the right balance of memory and storage. That's why the Dell OptiPlex 3070 SFF comes equipped with 32 GB DDR4 memory and a massive 1 TB solid-state drive. This potent combination ensures that you'll never face slow load times or frustrating lag, letting you work with confidence and focus. And let's not forget about graphics. The Intel UHD Graphics 630 is more than capable of handling everything from streaming to light gaming and multimedia creation. You'll experience vibrant visuals, smooth playback, and effortless multitasking, making it perfect for anyone who needs a reliable workhorse or home office PC. In real-world terms, what does this mean for you? It means waking up to a fully functioning desktop every morning, without worrying about crashes or slowdowns. It means effortlessly editing high-res photos, rendering demanding videos, and collaborating on project files in real time. It means a seamless, stress-free computing experience that helps you get the job done and enjoy your personal time, knowing that your computer can keep up. Of course, no PC would be complete without peripherals. That's why the Dell OptiPlex 3070 SFF comes bundled with a Dell KB216 wired keyboard and Dell MS116 USB optical mouse, providing a comfortable, intuitive interface that lets you work at your own pace. Don't just take our word for it. With a 1-year warranty by Techno Intelligence, you can trust the Dell OptiPlex 3070 SFF to get the job done. Plus, a DVD burner for all your data backup and media needs is a welcome inclusion. If you're due for an upgrade or just need a trusted, compact PC that can keep up with your demands, this is the perfect solution. So why wait? Get your Dell OptiPlex 3070 SFF today and experience the power, efficiency, and reliability you deserve.